Hey guys, it's Damien here. I'm going to go through some of the upgrades that I've done with the vertical stabilizer, and I'll show you a test flight with the latest design and how it performs. And then by the end of this video, I have some announcements to share with you guys. So the original design was replicated by the original Goose Guy S2 vertical stabilizer. I just made it two pieces into one, and I realized that the material around the holes of the tail motor were too close and there wasn't enough material on this back end when 3D printing. So what I ended up doing for my second version is I added a lot more material where those holes were located and it kept the thickness the same. But one of the things that I've realized, even after increasing the material around the tail motor, that these vertical stabilizers just flexed like no other. So keeping the same amount of material around the tail motor mount, I ended up going with my final design of thickening up the vertical stabilizer. So the bottom section or the back section is about 2.5 millimeters, and then where the tail motor mount is about 4 millimeters. So it is a very thick tail, but comparing it to carbon fiber where it's thinner, you have to add a little bit more material to a part like this to make it extremely rigid and very, very strong. And there is less flex to that tail. So when you're doing tail in flights, this won't be vibrating as much, which will decrease the vibration across the entire helicopter. So that is the final design that I've went with for the vertical stabilizer. So I'll catch you guys in the field and check out how it performs.
Hey guys, we'll be testing out the upgraded vertical stabilizer for this flight. Looks like it's handling very well. Extremely stable tail, and I think I'm gonna hopefully start bumping up the throttle curve on this because there is a little bit of a lag, but it's flying really well. So we'll do one more test flight. All right, second battery set. Yeah, so I tried it at 80% throttle, but that scared me. I'm not too comfortable flying it at that high of RPM. I'll probably bump it up to maybe 70%, 75%, but 80, yeah, we'll get another pilot to fly at those speeds. But hope you guys enjoy. Tail's holding up extremely well, and both of those flights were about 2 minutes.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that flight, and the big news is the 3 parts that I've upgraded on this helicopter, the landing skids, the tail boom, and the vertical stabilizer, will be posted on Thingiverse and Printables. So you can now print them absolutely for free on those websites and will be available. So happy printing, and if you guys like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.